Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find color filters and where to and how to turn them on in our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To look for our color filters, we have to go to Settings. Then we are looking for this accessibility options, and here in the visibility enhancements we have color filter. And in here we can turn it on, and we have a lot of filters we can choose from. Moreover, we can also set up opacity right here, and as you can see, it changes. Let's go back to main menu, and as you can see, now our color filter is applied. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.